Welcome back, gardeners. Marcelina here with you. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: selecting the best blueberry varieties for container gardening. Whether you have limited space or you want to enjoy fresh blueberries right at your doorstep, growing blueberries in container is a fantastic option. So let's dive into the world of blueberries and find the perfect varieties for your container garden. Stay tuned. Alright, before we jump into selecting specific varieties, let's quickly discuss why growing blueberries in container is a great idea. Here are some of the benefits. First, it allows you to easily control the soil pH, which is very crucial for growing blueberries, and blueberries need a soil pH of 4 to 5 grains. Second benefits, it is perfect for small space such as balconies or patios, so you can place your blueberries in that space. Third benefits, they provide better pest and disease management because they are more of a controlled environment. And the last thing about container gardening, they enable easy mobility and protection from harsh weather. Here you go, folks. You have half of the information. So if you think this video is helpful to you, give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, join our gardening family, and always to remember to ring the bell so you get notified for our new future videos. Alright, let's move on to the next topic: choosing the right varieties. So here are the following varieties that are suitable for container gardening. Coming up. Okay, you have it all, folks. So selecting the best blueberry varieties for container gardening. Just a reminder, when you choose your varieties, make sure you consider the chill hours. That is one of the factors of growing blueberries in container, because some of the blueberries require a number of chill hours to produce better produce. So know your area when you choose these varieties. And I have these blueberries here. I don't know what exactly this type of blueberries. I had the tag and I lost it. So, but as you can see, it is producing a lot of fruit. And some of the blueberries, they have this small fruit, and others have big fruit. So it is in your preferences which varieties you have. And let's wrap this up. And thank you guys for watching. This is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. Happy gardening! Peace!